Hopefully that's focusing on my face. Hello Patreon. We are so overdue a update of any kind. But I have been working on a project. It's just not been going so smoothly. So this video, I'm going to be filling you in. And basically I'm going to be sending a space marine into space. That's the whole entire idea. So I'll show you where things are at this point, and then after this little next bit I will tell you about an update. So yeah, we're sending a space marine into space, and right now I'm going to rewind to Christmas time when I got a space marine for Christmas. Ho ho ho, looks like I'm painting Warhammer now.
That's me as a space marine.
Thanks Mum. Well, at least this gives me an excuse to write Warhammer 40k in the title of one of my videos. Okay, it's January, I'm back in London. I've got my Space Marines, I'm going to paint them this week. I've got a weather balloon, I've got a tracker, and I have the little camera that's going to go up with the balloon. And this weekend, we're going to go and release these things into space from Worm and Scrubs here in London.
Not gonna happen! No, not gonna happen!
Okay, so it turns out sending a weather balloon up into space a little more complicated than I originally thought. I'm here with my brother Steve, who is a PhD science nerd. Nerd. And he actually knows how to launch balloons into space, so he's been helping me out, specifically with calculations on where the balloon might land. And we were going to launch the balloon today, but that's not going to work. Make it happen.
Well, the balloon prediction is looking like it's going to land in Germany. We don't have permission to go through either Brussels airspace or German airspace.
Look, we don't want to create an international incident.
Not only that, we had to apply to
Civil Aviation Authority a month in advance for British airspace, and
Civil Aeronautics Board has grounded the whole fleet.
They said no.
Airspace above London is complicated and they couldn't guarantee airplane safety.
So basically Wormwood Scrubs, directly above that you've got a flight path, you've got planes coming into Gatwick, Luton and Stansted Airport all at the same time, and they've said no, we're not allowed to do the launch from there. The idea of me hitting January and just my first project of the year being sending a space marine into space has fallen flat on its face.
Failure of any kind is failure.
But in a way it's a good thing because it means I can do better planning. Okay, so this update is all over the place. The update that I want to give you guys is that I actually contacted the Army Painter, and Adam from the Army Painter got back to me, and they are on board and they are willing to sponsor this project, which is a massive step forward. That helps with so much because basically this is an expensive project because helium costs money, balloons cost money, parachutes cost money. So yeah, I had an amazing conversation with Adam the other evening. Sat and chatted him through the whole idea, and they were like, yep, 100%, we're on board, we'll sponsor the idea. So they're helping provide the helium, the balloons, this kind of stuff. So this is 100% go. And if everything goes to plan, we have rescheduled the launch for next Wednesday here in London. Now, that is all pending on another flight map simulation, which we're going to do this Thursday night. If the simulation turns out that the weather is going to favour us, then we will be launching the Space Marine next Wednesday night. Now, I've got all sorts of footage happening with me painting the Space Marine and me building the box that all of the cameras are going to be in and stuff. So also that's one thing to say, is that with Army Painter on board, it means that we can have more than one camera going up. Biscuit, this cat is just like pestering me for cuddles here. Can you just let me do a video update? I can't do a video update because the cat wants cuddles. What did I say? Oh yeah, I'm building the payload, which is the cameras pointing in different directions. We want one to see the balloon bursting. We want one following the Space Marine the whole entire way up, and possibly a third one out the back. Thankfully, the budget that the Army Painter has given us for this project means that all of this is now possible. So grateful to the Army Painter. I'm already super happy with the Army Painter anyway. They've sponsored me with paint so many times. They're a great company. You want noodles? That's my daughter, she wants noodles. Anyway, I was just doing an update. You want noodles? Just what kind of noodle? What flavor of noodles? Chicken flavor noodles. I've got to go make. Okay. Anyway, that's the end of this update. I've got to go make some chicken flavored noodles. No, you can't say hello. No! I am going to blur your face out. Yeah. So, Army Painter are legends. I already love them anyway. That's the end of this update, guys. I'm sorry it's been so long since I've done an actual update. Right, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.